Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are talking about the very genuine software. It's an agency bird. So let's talk about the agency bird. What is agency bird? So it's basically a combined four SaaS platform in it. So let's talk about it. Turnkey 7-figure digital agency preloaded with four top selling SaaS platform. What is SaaS platform? Software as a service. Make easy sales, keep 100% revenue, create instant recurring income. Work from home, mega opportunity. So we will show you how to build even in these tough time and given you trend VA with the leads email template to be easily generating sales starting today. So no need to spend time in the trench learning the ropes act now and start your own digital agency in just 10 minutes. Do you believe in just 10 minutes you can start your agency? Get instant access to four top selling SaaS products. Sell easy to sell product, make recurring profit. Turnkey agency package includes sales pages, sales videos, training, everything. You need to sell these apps as your own and keep 100% profit. No success tax. We won't charge you for doing well. No technical skill, no experience need. So normally just one reseller license of these products would cost 2x this amazing offer and you get 4. So first, instant access to four top SaaS platform. Sell as if they were yours and keep 100% revenue. All four platform have a built-in recurring billing model. Perfect for creating multiple stream of income. Each platform is built for business and highly in demand. We provide customer support to all your customer. Introducing now AGENCYBUD. So let's look at the four SaaS platform you will have the license on the sale. First is Cold Reach. Cold Reach is a B2B, business to business lead generation tool for finding ideal client and the way contact them. If your customer looking to connect with the ideal person in particular type of organization, Cold Reach help to identify anyone who fills the role in any area they would like to target, and boom, they have an instant list of the right people to get their message out. To easily find all the businesses that are similar in any geographic area and have the contact email addresses of the key people instantly discovered. If your customer has a product to sell, with Cold Reach they can effortlessly contact and follow with the prospect. They can search by verticals. Your customer can look for a profession in a location, like find accountant in New York, or search by person. Help them find people they have specific accolades to or awards, like find people have been in media or won a award in Seattle. Instant connection with automated leads approach. Example, prospecting can be completely automated and not a drag. Global or local lead search mean that they are not restricted in where their leads come from and yet can pinpoint to suburb if they need to. Simple to use with zero learning curve to started. Find only updates, leads the software filter olds and dead contact. Dodge the gatekeeper, contact directly the decision maker and increase conversion rates. So while plenty of businesses today close their doors because they don't have enough leads, it is impossible to find one that closed because they have too many. Cold Reach is bound to be a massive client puller for your digital agency. Second is engage. Engage web visitors often leads to more sales, fewer support questions, and better customer experience all round. The biggest problem businesses face not being in a live conversation with people 24/7, and when visitor can't get their question answered, they leave never to turn. The solution a chatbot. But that also means using yet another platform for messaging and keeping on top of the plus who want to be getting message at 1 in the morning from some of your site. Enter engage the super bot system. With a simple copy paste install on any site, you can have live chat system that uses your existing message platform. Do you use Skype? Great answer on Skype. Do you have do you use Facebook Messenger? Answer. And with the built-in roster and schedule system, you can have the right person receiving the message at the right time, or have the bot delivered a predetermined answer to the web visitor. Have pre-written replies that trigger based on the keywords. Upload how to article that get shown when particular question are asked. Capture leads and close sales by being in touch with your clients using technology that you already have. Engage drive sales and increase customer retention, a sure shot hit with every business in every niche. Third one is Rap One. Rep One is a social media monitoring tool and reputation suite that your client can have running for them 24/7. Anytime someone mentions their brand, their product, and even their staff, a notification is sent and it can be addressed. The built-in review generator tool help businesses get more good reviews while filtering the bad. Positive comment, that's good news and can be shared through social media. Improve customer services. Every notification that you get include a link straight to the conversation so you can easily jump in and reply. Lead management area. Find people who are looking at your product or service but still haven't made the purchase. Reach out and convert them into paying customers. Step ahead. Stay a step ahead. Because Rep One track any website and everything you ask it to. You can even track what being said about your competitors. Monitoring more than 8 lakhs comments across the web on Facebook, Twitter, Yelp, Google, TripAdvisor, among other, Rep One is the biggest lever you can pull for business growth. It's no secret that positive reviews feed new businesses, and who doesn't want that? So, last, data geo. This is the most powerful one-click market research platform ever created. Data Geo finds and delivers advertising and marketing profiles in one click. Do you sell coffee cups? Just input those two words into the system and you will instantly see the top 20 competitors for the product. Selectively choose the competitor that you feel have the same market as you and do, and see their exact keyword paid and organic. See which one of the keyword using the most traffic. Click the next to the audience section and you will start to see exact demographic you can be targeting. Where do they live? How old they are? What are their interests? And find the exact Facebook group and pages you can target in your advertising. Zero in on the YouTube videos that you can be placing a message on. Mark the top Twitter channel that brand like yours can use leverage. That's result is in a tighter advertising campaign from day one. Plus, as integrated tracking and split testing facility to bring real winning campaign to the front for you every time. DataGeo is designed to help you crush online advertising, save thousands on ads, and generate insane ROIs. You can get agency right to them all with AGENCYBUD. So I'm going to give the link in description and check it out. It's a very, if you are looking to start your own agency, digital agency, so you have, this is must software you have. So thank you very much.